Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the AI Spiderverse trend video. Or as some of you want to know, how to turn yourself into Spiderman or Spiderwoman. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this viral filter creates a cartoon version of yourself that looks like you're in one of the Spider-Man Spider-Verse films. So let me show you how to create this video trend. So to create this video trend, you'll need an app called Photoleap, which is available on your App Store or your Google Play Store. So this is the app, Photoleap, looks like this. Go ahead and download it and install it on your phone. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on Open. Now it'll ask you to subscribe. You can just go ahead and press the X. It'll then take you to this front page. On this front page here, you want to scroll down and under AI edits, you want to look for AI anime, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and tap on continue. Select a photo from your phone library. Then tap on done. Select your photo. It'll then create your photo into a cartoon character. As you can see, this is the before and this is the after. But we still have not turned it into a Spider-Man. So to do this, from down below here, you want to go ahead and tap on custom. And here you're searching for Spiderverse. Tap next. This will now create you into Spider-Man in Spiderverse. So as you can see, I've got my Spider-Man suit under my jumper. And there you go, we've turned this lady into a Spider-Woman in the Spiderverse. Now to download this picture, you want to go ahead and tap on save. As you can see, it's created a video for you, so you can go ahead and download that video. So there you go, that is now saved to your camera roll. So you want to go back to your camera roll and check it out. So here we have a lady in a Spider-Man costume or Spider-Woman costume. This is a video of before and after. Now to create the AI Spiderverse trend video on TikTok, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Here you're searching for the Spider-Man filter. In the search results, you want to go ahead and tap on any of the videos that are doing the trend. For example, this one here, this one here, this one as well. Now within those videos, you're looking for CapCut, try this template button here, just down below. So go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on use template in CapCut. This will now open up CapCut and will show you the template. Go ahead and tap on use template. So now here you want to go ahead and select your after picture first and then your before picture. So go ahead and tap on photos, select your after picture first, then your before picture, then tap on preview. This will now create the video for you. And as you can see, it transitions from a normal human being to a Spider-Woman. So once you're happy with that, tap on export here at the top right, then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will automatically share the video to TikTok. And as you can see, it has created you the Spiderverse video trend. You can go ahead and add any text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the AI Spiderverse trend video on TikTok. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.